So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add ladder in your game. So you can see very simple ladder where we can go up and we can go down as well, and we can jump off as well, and we can shoot as well while on the ladder. So yeah, so you can do everything with very simple few lines of code. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we have a very simple scene setup here. So now what we need to do is go on to create a new scene with area 2D as our node, and now we need to add a sprite 2D node and another collision shape node on our area 2D. After that, we need to get our layer sprite, and we need to add that layer sprite on our texture of the sprite 2D node, and then we need to set the collision shape for our texture and make sure you enable the snapping so you can directly set the texture. So after setting up the collision shape for our player, what we need to do is we need to set this as later, and after that we need to save this scene as later.scene. We need to add a script in our later.gt, and we need to click on our later area 2D node, and we need to click on body entered signal, and then we need to add if player in body dot name, and we can just directly set the body dot is on later equals to true. After setting this up, you need to go on to your player.gt, and we need to create some variables. So I already created two variables here, which is variable is on ladder equals to false and variable climb speed. After setting these two variables, you need to come on your physics process and you need to write some code here. So let's add a comment for later code, and now we need to add if is on if is on later. We will do first, we will set the velocity of the player to vector2 velocity dot x comma 0, and we need to set if input dot is action pressed, and I will select move up. Then we need to do one thing, which is setting up the velocity dot y to negative of the climb speed. So let's set this up, climb speed, and elif input dot is action pressed. We will set this to move down, velocity dot y equals to climb speed. So that's it. Now you just can run the scene. Okay, so first we need to add this ladder in our test scene. So for that, let's go on our scenes folder and put this ladder scene here, and let's put the ladder scene in our scene. So you can see in our text scene we can see the ladder here, and now I just need to go on the ladder. Okay, so you can see there is a problem here of this, so let's solve this problem first. So we need to go on to the ladder script, and if body exited, and we need to set this same thing here, and we need to set this to false. Now we can run the game again. So now if I go there, you can see I can go on top and I can just be there. And now we need to see why it's coming down. I think that's because we are applying the gravity, and that's what happens. So you need to set if not is on floor, we need to also set this and is on ladder. We need to set this and not on ladder. Okay, and not is on ladder. After setting this up, you can see it should work. Yeah, so it's working pretty good. Now if you want the player to show at the top, so you just need to go on to your ladder scene, go on inspector, go on ordering, and set the z index to -30, so it will show behind the player. So now let's go. You can see we are at the top. Now for the animation, what you need to do onto your player, go to the player.GDScript, and what you need to do is if so basically you need to code if is on ladder, you need to set the animation if I press move up, and you can just do that here as well. So you can just set the animation here as well. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.